The most terrifying place in the universe is not a black hole. It is not a supernova. It is not a planet covered in fire. It is something far quieter, a place where almost nothing exists, a region so empty that if humanity were stranded there, the universe itself would seem dead. Far beyond Earth, beyond the stars we recognize, there are regions of space so vast and empty that they almost feel unnatural. Places where galaxies disappear, places where light itself becomes rare. One of those regions is known as the Boötes Void. Some scientists call it the Great Nothing. And the more we understand what it is, the more disturbing it becomes. From Earth, the universe looks full. Stars cover the night sky, galaxies seem endless, but the universe is not evenly filled. And on the largest scales, galaxies gather along enormous structures called the cosmic web. Massive glowing filaments stretch across space like threads. Between them are gigantic regions where almost nothing exists. These are cosmic voids. Some of them are so enormous that the human mind struggles to understand their scale. The Boötes Void is one of the largest. It stretches hundreds of millions of light years across. Even at the speed of light, it would still take hundreds of millions of years to cross this empty region. And inside that darkness, galaxies become rare. That's what makes the void feel so wrong. It is not empty space between stars. It is empty space between galaxies. The universe itself seems to disappear there. Imagine standing inside a galaxy deep within a cosmic void. Your local sky might still contain stars, but when you look beyond them, the wider universe would feel strangely dead. There would be fewer neighboring galaxies, fewer distant lights, less evidence that the universe is full of structure. If a civilization evolved inside a cosmic void, its understanding of reality could be completely different from ours. Its telescopes would peer outward and see darkness where we see clusters and glowing walls of stars. That is one of the quiet horrors of the void. It does not change space, it changes perspective. And perhaps the most unsettling part is this: the void is not a mistake. It follows the laws of the universe perfectly. In the earthly universe, matter was not spread evenly. Some regions contained slightly more matter than others. Gravity slowly pulled material toward those denser areas. Over billions of years, galaxies formed along giant filaments. Meanwhile, emptier regions lost more and more matter to the surrounding structure. The result was the cosmic web, bright strands of galaxies surrounding enormous regions of darkness. The terrifying part is not that the Boötes Void breaks the rules. The terrifying part is that it follows them. The universe naturally creates regions where almost nothing gathers, and most of the universe may be far emptier than humanity ever imagined. A black hole is terrifying because too much happens there. Gravity crushes everything. Light disappears, matter is destroyed, but a cosmic void is terrifying for the opposite reason. Almost nothing happens there at all. No crowded skies, no nearby galaxies, no bright cosmic neighborhood. Only distance, silence, and darkness stretched across hundreds of millions of light years. That fear is different. It is not the fear of violence, it is the fear of absence, the fear of being forgotten. Inside a cosmic void, even light becomes a reminder of isolation. A galaxy on the far side may be so distant that its light takes hundreds of millions of years to arrive. If you were drifting through the darkness between galaxies, there would be no nearby world to reach, no star close enough to matter, no rescue coming from any direction. Space is already lonely. A cosmic void makes that loneliness almost absolute. And yet, these terrifying regions may also help humanity understand the universe itself. Scientists study cosmic voids to learn how matter is distributed across space. They help researchers understand gravity, galaxy formation, and the structure of the cosmic web. Some physicists believe voids may even help reveal clues about dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating the expansion of the universe. In a strange way, the emptiest places in existence may contain some of the universe's deepest answers. But emotionally, the void still feels wrong, because human beings were never designed to comprehend emptiness on this scale. The Boötes void represents the opposite of life. It is the dark itself, stretched across unimaginable distance, quietly reminding us how small the bright parts of the universe really are. The most terrifying place in the universe is not terrifying because something is hiding there. It is terrifying because almost nothing is. And somewhere beyond the stars, beyond the galaxies, beyond the glowing structure of the cosmic web, the great nothing continues expanding silently through the darkness, waiting, empty, almost endless.